More classic cars for sale. You're watching Rana's Radar. In a line of absolutely brilliant Corvettes, we have something that truly stands out. The iconic 1967 Corvette Coupe right here behind me for sale at Classic Cars of Sarasota in Florida. 67 Coupe Corvette is an absolute masterpiece that embodies the spirit of innovation and performance. This Corvette was kept impeccably well on a display at Muscle Car City for 20 years. And that is because of its quality, authenticity, and historical significance in our classic car community. In fact, the level of restoration and quality in this car received the NCRS Top Flight judging system 87.5, which is really high. And that tells us just how authentic this is and how well the restoration was done to make sure that everything was numbers matching. Now let's take a closer look. Featuring the desirable Goodwood Green exterior perfectly complemented by the matching green interior. Every detail on the 67 shines, showcasing the clean, bright chrome that reflects its prestigious heritage. Now this is why this particular 67 Corvette is so rare and why it was kept at a museum on display for 20 years. This Corvette is not just a showpiece. It's ready to conquer the road with style and performance. One of the most sought-after power plants ever produced by the Corvette and admired by the muscle car enthusiasts around the world. You're looking at the 427 L71 Tri-Power engine, 427 cubic inches, 7-liter big block V8 with 435 horsepower. Perfectly paired with the 4-speed manual transmission, this is the ultimate choice for serious performance. Now the interior is not just about aesthetics. What you're looking here, the matching green upholstery and the classic design elements, bucket seats designed for both comfort and style. The rare Goodwood Green exterior is perfectly complemented by the elegant wood grain we see here on the dash. Take this home today. It is for sale. Pull up at the next car show. But be aware, you are going to draw crowds, especially the Corvette enthusiasts from the community who will be eager to come and see how perfectly restored and how numbers matching the 67 Corvette is. And you can be rest assured to tell them that exactly that. Not to mention the NCRS Top Flight judging, earning this Corvette 87.5 points, which is extremely high. Again, guaranteeing that authenticity that you can show off because you've got a numbers matching 67 Corvette. Listed here for sale. Now I just want to emphasize to everybody that this is not the car that you want to take in and cruise in. This is to be admired, it's to be shown. You are meant to show off with it. That's what I'm going to encourage with this because it is an absolute collector. Very, very rare to find the C2 with these combinations in 1967. The 427 7-liter big block V8 engine, numbers matching to this car. There is so much more to this. The Goodwood Green exterior that we see, this is very desirable in the Corvette community. There were not many made in this with this combination. Now let's get to the price. Classic Cars of Sarasota is where I'm standing. The number on the screen will get you in touch to have a chat about this. Listed for sale at $189,950, less than $200,000 for you to own a beautifully, perfectly restored, ready to drive or to be kept as a collector car. Something to boast about. The 1967 Corvette Coupe is definitely one for the Corvette community, for those Corvette lovers. And of course, if you're out there looking or collecting something as an investment, this right here is what I would be recommending.